Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Marina?
Yes.
That's your name? I can't hear you.
Yes.
I'm Captain Cox. How are you? Today's your birthday, is that right? You sure about
I
that?
think so.
Well, come over here. Apparently you've been a bad girl.
Apparently.
You speed down 70 every day?
No, I go 370.
370. You sure that wasn't you on Highway 70?
I believe so.
Put your hands here right by that bell. You're positive.
Yes.
You guys ever see her speeding down 70 or 370, 270?
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
to an officer, it's all the same. I don't care as long as there's a 70 behind it. Most everything in St. Louis has a 70 behind it. You think you're gonna pull a fast one on me?
No.
So what are you gonna do different every day?
I won't drive fast.
Tell me the speed limit.
60.
You don't even know. So you two want to say it. 60. And what do you do every day?
60?
And I'm supposed to buy that. You don't ever have your phone in your hand or anything while you're on your way to work, do you?
No.
You have Bluetooth or something.
Yeah.
You just don't use the phone at all, do you?
I don't.
So, let me see. Put your hands behind your back.